it's Miss Robin from the James V. Brown Library and
Amelia.
Amelia. And we're at home. And sometimes you're just looking for something to do. I have the best idea for what you can do, even when you're just sitting there watching TV or watching a movie. You want something to do with your hands? It's called finger knitting. You didn't think that you could knit, did you? But I promise you, you can. You can come into the library and you can pick up a finger knitting kit. There's instructions with pictures of my hands, and there's a big ball of yarn to get you started.
And I helped.
And all you do is weave the yarn around your hand, and you grow a long chain as long as you want off the back of your hand. And the instructions are easy. Amelia, can you show them what it looks like? That's just a small piece. So if you need more yarn because you want to grow it longer, you can just tie another piece of yarn onto the end and keep going. And you can make a garland for your Christmas tree, or you can make a scarf or a necklace for someone. You can add beads to it. You can decorate your room and string it around your room.
Yep.
There's so many things you can do. Just come into the library and pick up your kit. See ya.
Bye.